Today on this episode of Good Luck Colt, we fix the weld nuts inside the frame rails for the transmission crossmember. So on these 1984 to 2001 Jeep Cherokees with the unibody construction, they utilized a captured weld nut on the inside of the frame rails to mount the transmission crossmember. And in our case, the bolts have been stripped out. So our decision is to remove the damaged nuts and create a patch panel with new nuts welded on the back side of them and weld that patch panel to the frame. So here's the patch panel that I've designed. We've got a layout line to bend here and here to follow the contour of the unibody frame. We've got the layouts for the weld nuts here and here. And so we've transferred that to our steel. And our steel is 3/16 by 3 inches wide and approximately 8 inches long. So I got the helper in the shop today. We've got our patch panels all fabricated and made up. We've got the bends for the contour of the body in there. And we've got the capture weld nuts welded into place. So these are ready to rock and roll. Next step is to drill out the damaged weld nuts in the frame rails and locate these in the correct position and weld. What do you think, they're gonna work? Mm-hmm. Me too.
Okay, bye.
Well, that's pretty much a wrap for this one, guys. I want to thank all my helpers that helped out. Spray paint. I don't know what that even means. I want to thank all these knuckleheads for keeping it real light around the scenes today. We've got it all welded up, and all we got to do now is give it a little bit of spray paint to keep it from rusting and remount the cross member. So it's going to be super easy. We're not going to worry about making any more videos. We're just going to wrap this one up from here and hang out with the helpers. So thanks for tuning in, and thanks to these guys for giving us a hand. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
All right, you see where you are in the frame?
Yeah.
So we're just going to adjust that down a little bit. That's pretty good, huh?
Maybe.
Yep.
All right. In 3, 2.